Counting on alum Derick Dillard is one of Jim Bob and Michelle Duggar's most successful in-laws. However, he also had the most unhealthy relationship with them. Jill and Derick stepped away from the IBLP's teachings after they tied the knot. Since then, the two began to expose some of Jim Bob's wrongdoings, and many people believed Derick due to his career in the law firm. But many were surprised when Derick made a bold move about his job. Keep reading to see the discussion. Counting on Derick Dillard and Jill Duggar's accusations against Jim Bob. Jill and Derick have caught a lot of attention after making shocking claims during the show. Jill revealed that she wasn't paid for the show and that her father lied about the family's income. Jill and Derick have implied that Jim Bob could get in trouble with the IRS soon. Jim Bob remains silent about the allegations, but sources claim that it's one of the main reasons why the counting on alum's relationship with Jill and Derick never improved. But Jill previously revealed that they've been trying their best to hang out whenever they have the time. Derick's bold move leaves district attorney's office. Some counting on fans on social media discussed the recent LinkedIn updates of Derick Dillard. According to the poster, Derick is no longer an assistant district attorney. It states that he quit his job earlier this year. Instead, Derick now works as an attorney at law, seemingly running his own office. Many were impressed by Derick's move, saying that his previous job was indeed a stepping stone to where he is today. Where I'm from, being an ADA is a stepping stone. It's terrible pay, there are no union protections, but it's something to put on your resume. Most don't stay ADAs for long. You get the knowledge you need and move along. This is the case in most areas. My aunt is an ADA in a major city. She makes less than I did as a full-time retail associate. It's terrible pay, soul-draining work. She has kept it because she has some flexibility in her schedule and the insurance is great. This is a very normal progression for an attorney, especially those outside of larger cities. Source: am lawyer. He never intended to stay at the prosecutor's office. It's a pretty terrible job with even more terrible pay. Judging from the fact that Jill has a book deal, my bet is entertainment law. The Duggalos and Duggalettes still want to be public figures and get paid for it. Derick seems smart enough to look around and see there's a niche that needs filled. Counting on, how are Jill and Derick Dillard today? Jill Duggar Dillard has been documenting her healing journey over the past few months. The counting on alum suffered a miscarriage last year. Members of the Duggar family attended the funeral of her stillborn daughter, Isla Marie. Jill and Derick also spent Christmas at the Duggar family compound last year. A photo of Jim Bob talking to the married couple surfaced online, but Derick and Jill clarified that their conversation doesn't mean anything.